second episode of School of Life. I'm so excited to be here and to bring another great speaker to you. Just to give you an idea about what School of Life is, because a few of you would be joining us today for the first time. So just to give you an idea, School of Life is a Instagram live program. And in this, what we do is we bring real life stories, real life experiences, real life people to you who come and share their stories, right? Because we believe that the biggest teacher of life is not something that you can learn in the classroom, or biggest learnings don't come in the classroom. The biggest learning of the life come with life itself, right? So we are going to bring to you some really interesting stories and some really interesting stories in the School of Life episodes in future. Today I have a really special guest, and let me just add my special guest with me and waiting for her to join. So just meanwhile, oh, there she is.
Hello,
How are you, Meghna?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, good. Welcome to School of Life.
Thank you so much for having me.
It's a pleasure. And just to give you all an introduction of our today's guest, Meghna. So, a quick introduction of our really amazing guest. So, Meghna is actually Chef Meghna. That's the right introduction of her. And Meghna
No,
is.
but you can see I'm Meghna auntie also. See, hello.
So you are Meghna, you Meghna auntie, you are Meghna didi. Okay. Yes, we will go in Hindi also very soon. So Meghna is here with us, हमारे साथ, and she is a food and culinary expert, as a lot of you know that Meghna is known on her YouTube channel for her food. And a
Yes.
little bit about Meghna, our background. Meghna started her journey as a banker. So she used to work in a bank. पहले बैंक में आप काम कर रहे थे. And then
जी.
from there, she moved on to becoming a baker,
Yes,
right?
correct. That's true.
And she switched her dreams. हर एक का एक ड्रीम होता है लाइफ में कि ये करेंगे वो करेंगे someday. So she switched her dreams and just switched from having a corporate life to becoming a baker. And
Yeah,
now Chef Meghna, आपका खुद का एक YouTube channel है, right?
definitely. Yeah, true. Yeah,
And
it's Meghna's Food Magic. Yes.
Meghna's Food Magic. And Meghna's Food Magic is a huge YouTube channel. And all the people I know जो आज हमें join कर रहे हैं, they all love Meghna. She works in collaboration. बहुत सारे brands के साथ मेघना काम कर चुके हैं brand collaboration में, like Sephora, Tata Housing, Wellington, Cadbury. In fact, आपका भी live चल रहा था Big Bazaar के साथ.
जी जी बिल्कुल बिल्कुल अभी बिग बाजार के साथ लाइव चल रहा था.
So much about you, Meghna, and I'll just take a little bit more because I will then hand it over that आप audience को बताओ अपनी journey के बारे में. But just a little bit more about Meghna. She's also a TEDx speaker. Meghna men and women equality के बारे में बात कर चुके हैं, and she's also talked about a very interesting topic which I would search for. ये वाला आपका वीडियो मैं खुद सर्च करने वाली हूँ. What women really want.
Yes. What women really want, correct.
मुझे तो आइडिया नहीं है what you really want. I would really go and see. So thank you for being an inspiration for so many, and spreading your love and positivity for so many people. And welcome on School of Life. So we are happy to
Thank
have you
you.
here.
Thank you so much, and I'm so happy to be with you, all of you. And hello to everyone. And that's true. I mean, I feel so nice when I see hello Meghna auntie rather than Chef Meghna.
Yes,
Hello
that
everyone. Yeah.
the love that is coming in, it's just so amazing, and it's just
This is
comments
this
is
is only
mind blowing.
this is only a thing what I want in my life. I mean, बाकी सब सही में बेकार है. this is the only real earning you can say. इससे ज्यादा बस अभी कुछ नहीं चाहिए. That's
Wow,
true.
that's so sweet. That's so sweet. So, Meghna, I'm pretty sure हमारे viewers बहुत curious है ये जानने के लिए कि how did it all start? Like this, ये journey banker to baker, ये हुआ कैसे? How did you pivoted out of this and became a chef, Meghna?
Uh, Actually, it was like 14 years long journey with the bank, and after that, motherhood happened. And then when you become mother, see, जब तक mother नहीं बनते हैं तब तक तो वही चलता है कि ऑफिस है, so you just tend to live on like canteen food और कहीं बाहर का कुछ भी आते जाते कुछ भी pick up कर लिया. But when your kid
Right.
is there and when you सडनली वो अंदर की मदर जाग जाती है, एंड यू रियली वांट टू फीड किड विद द हेल्दी फूड. लाइक यू नो, हम बीइंग अ मदर सोचते हैं कि बच्चे के अंदर सारे विटामिन्स मिनरल्स सब हम एज अ मदर डाल दे, देन ओनली you prove to be a nice mother. So same thing happened with me, and when I literally see my kid eating that dirty food, junk food, that one jhatka I got, that this is not done, I cannot do this with my child. And then I started getting inside the kitchen, and from there I thought I should learn more and more and more. And
Right.
yeah, that's how I started. And एक चीज मैं यहाँ पे जरूर कहना चाहूंगी कि when I joined the culinary school, that time I was the eldest student in the class. All the girls were like, you know, very young. They were like 14, 15, 16. I was the only one who was, I will not tell my age, but special permission लेके बच्चे को लेके जाती थी मैं कॉलेज में. So I used to sit on the last bench with my kid.
Wow, wow. And I'm pretty sure आज हमारे साथ a lot of women are there who are mothers, so they can totally feel where you are coming from. आप जो बोल रहे हो. In fact, हमारे स्कूल में there are so many students. I call them students, but they are mothers. They are mothers of kids जो 10 साल,
Yeah,
15 साल.
yeah.
They're coming and learning. So it's amazing how the motherhood and along with that the things that people do, it's just outstanding, and what you have done is totally amazing.
I
And
think
Meghna,
motherhood
just
na, will give you like lot of courage to just, you know, fight with all the circumstances or whatever you have in front of you and just come out as a winner. I think that only motherhood can do this with you. No
true.
pep talk, nothing. Like, you know, sometimes it happens like when you listen that pep talk, you all of a sudden feel like, okay, fine, I will going to do this and ये करके रहूंगी. And after like couple of days and when life happens, you'll feel like forget it. But when motherhood happens, you don't have any other option than to fight. So, I mean, mother can do anything.
Right. So Meghna, I was reading a article, your story wala article,
Sorry.
which has come. Your story
Yeah.
article.
Yeah, your
And
story. Yeah.
some interesting insight. There's this जहाँ पे you have written and not much details were given, but there was something where it said कि कुकर फट गया था
I know.
initially.
Oh my god.
So what happened? I'm curious to know कि कुकर कैसे फटा.
अरे वो I mean, I don't know, I feel so shy to tell this,
So
but
means I from that person to you being a chef right now, it's a great story. So I just want to know that how a person जिसके साथ that incident has happened and she is being loved for her recipe. Just tell
actually
where you were before and how did this, food started.
ये एक बहुत आई थिंक दिस वाज लाइक यू नो शादी करनी थी और शादी का फर्स्ट डे था. एंड यू नो आई यूज्ड टू वर्क बिफोर शादी आल्सो. सो मम्मा ने बहुत बोला कुछ तो सीख लो कुछ तो सीख लो. बट व्हेन यू आर वर्किंग, सो you know, थक भी जाते हैं. and then you'll always feel like, oh, I am working, let it be. and mama को always सब लोग taken for granted लेते हैं. So did I, and I never learned anything from my mother. It was like she kept on telling me कि मैं सीख लो but वही हुआ नहीं सीखा. and of course शादी करके मैं बहुत बड़े joint family में गई थी. एंड
Wow.
मेरी फैमिली जो इन लॉज साइड की थी वो काठियावाड़ी हैं, और काठियावाड़ी यू नो हाउ दे आर फॉन्ड ऑफ फूड, लाइक वो उठते हैं, खाते हैं, पीते, सब कुछ खाने के लिए होता है, मतलब ब्रेकफास्ट में वो 2 दिनों के मेन्यू डिसाइड करते हैं, तो वैसे फूड ही होते हैं। तो सबसे पहले
Right.
गुजरातियों में वही होता है कि उठते के साथ ही आपको कुकर में दाल चावल चढ़ाने होते हैं, और
Right.
वही मुझे लगा कि दाल चावल ही चढ़ाने हैं, तो ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट मेघना गई किचन में, कुकर निकाला और दाल चावल को 10 मिनट तो सिर्फ ताड़ती रही कि अभी ये पकेंगे कैसे, दाल चावल क्या है वो पता है बट पकेंगे कैसे। फिर मम्मी को फोन
Okay.
लगाया सुबह सुबह और बोला, तो मम्मी ने इतना बोला कि दाल चावल धो के अच्छे से आप कुकर में डाल दो एंड 3 सीटी लगा लो। मैंने बोला चलो ये तो सिंपल है, शुरू कर
हाँ.
दिया, दाल चावल अच्छे से धो लिया, कुकर में डाल दिया अलग अलग कंटेनर में, और कुकर की सीटी लगाने के लिए छोड़ दिया। 10 मिनट के बाद देयर वर लाइक बूप करके जो कुकर फटा है मेरा।
Oh
फिर
my.
जाके सासू माँ आई और बोला कि ये तो पहले एक दिन धमाका कर दिया इसने। बोला तूने क्या किया? मैंने सारा समझाया, देखो कुकर लिया, दाल चावल धोया, सब किया। फिर बोला कुकर में पानी डाला बेटा। मैंने बोला ओ तेरी, ये तो छूट ही गया। तो इतना भी पता नहीं था कि कुकर में पानी जाता है।
पानी
तो
पानी.
मेरे दाल चावल कढ़ाई की जगह पे छत पे चिपके हुए थे क्योंकि कुकर पूरा फट गया
Wow.
था।
Oh my
So yeah,
God.
that's how I started actually.
And from that to being from a lousy cook to now being a recognized chef, कैसा feel होता है? Like, how do you feel now when you about the story?
I feel really nice. Like feel that okay, fine. As I told you, that motherhood happened and I became fighter. पहले भी nature was always like that. That okay, fine. Whatever I do, I do best. So जब job करती थी, that time also it was always like that. The full concentration was on the work, and I used to give my best. The same thing happened here also, and never compromise in like you know okay होता है चलता है, that attitude.
Right.
If we'll just you know if we'll not have that attitude when especially you are learning. So
Yes.
when I was learning, my focus was like you know not into that okay what, because as I told you, when I went to the college culinary, I was the eldest one, so बेसिक कुकिंग मुझे आता था जो बाकियों को नहीं आता था, बट आई वॉज नेवर एवर इनटू दैट आई कीप शोइंग what I know. I have always gone with the attitude that whatever my professor is telling me, I just want to grab everything. I was like a hungry student that मुझे एक कतरा भी छोड़ना नहीं था. It's like you know it's a valuable thing what they are teaching me, and I just don't want to waste anything. So
Right.
yeah, so that attitude was always there, that I
Right.
will never compromise in anything lesser than the best. So yeah.
Right. So, what you just said, Meghna, कि you have always had that fighting spirit and never give up wala spirit.
Yes.
And what I also read in that article, and I was researching about you, life was not always this great. You have faced a
Yes.
fair share of challenges.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
can you just tell the audience about that and how did you overcome all those challenges? Like
See,
you worked in a hotel and you had a catering business and you worked in catering, then banking. बहुत सारा आपने मुझे लगता है struggle किया. So
yes.
just I want to know more about that.
See, for especially for youth, I would like to say this thing that youth बहुत shortcut ढूंढती है, और they will see only a success that okay, oh my God, she has so many followers, or oh my God, she's like this, she's like that. यूथ को वो समझ नहीं आता है कि वहां तक जाने के लिए बहुत सालों का स्ट्रगल होता है, एंड यू हैव टू सी फ्रॉम द जीरो. यू कैन नॉट जस्ट jump escape 99 and just see that okay fine, now there is a 3-digit 100. To see that 3-digit, you have to start from the zero. So uh, keep like वो struggle को आप बिल्कुल side मत कर दीजिए. So you have to keep struggling to achieve 100. So that's my
Right.
point to tell everyone that um, there is no shortcut. I mean, absolutely no shortcut for anything. If you want to achieve something, you have to go through all the things. Like life is not that free lunches that सब किसी ने सर्व करके रख दिया और आप आओ बैठो and आपको सब मिल जाएगा. मेरी भी
True.
काफी स्ट्रगल रही है. इनफैक्ट मेरी तो वेट इश्यू से लेके सबकी स्ट्रगल रही है. दैट वन पॉइंट वो भी आया था मेरी लाइफ में दैट वेयर आई हैव रीच्ड 80 किलो. So my struggle was my outlook also, that with lot of complication, because when you all of a sudden put on so much of weight, you have so many complications in your body. Then वो थोड़ा सा आप डिप्रेशन में भी जाते हो. Then 14 साल की जॉब आप जब all of a sudden एक दिन छोड़ देते हो, then also you fell into a especially I fell into the depression. That what happened, all of a sudden you feel that you are good for nothing, and then again you are back to your learning days. Like when you are working, you are somewhere at least, and all of a sudden like you are a student, and it's a quite a struggle. So
Right.
you will not get anything without hard work, and you will not get anything without struggle. That is for sure. So start and see from the zero, not straight from the 100. Yeah, that is the most important message I would like to give it to a youth, especially.
So well said and so true that
Yeah.
you need to go back to the drawing board. Hamesha
Yeah.
start from
Yeah.
scratch and then build. And
Yeah.
yes, you're so right that लोगों को जो back end struggle होता है सिर्फ success दिखाई देती है but उसके पीछे जो
Yes.
struggle होता है not everyone
Yeah.
sees that. That
Yeah.
and you need to go through that struggle to reach that
Exactly.
success.
Yeah,
So well
because
said.
आज
And
सब
so
लोग देख के बोल देते हैं कि oh wow, her life is good, she's like that. But that's not easy. It's like काफी struggle करके कोई पहुंचता है वो. As I told you, there are no free lunches in the life, so you have to earn
absolutely.
it. That's it. Yeah.
So inspiring and very well said. And now on the topic of lunches and just about food, coming back to that, you're a
Yeah.
vegetarian, so and I know that
Yes.
you travel a lot. I have seen
Yes.
that you're
Yeah.
here, you
Yeah.
travel there. How did you
Yeah.
manage being a vegetarian and traveling? How did you do
In
that?
fact, see what happens now. Generally, vegetarians, they always like to go with tours and travels, or they always like to go to a safe place where they get the vegetarian food. In my case, मैं कभी tours and travels में नहीं जाती हूँ. In fact, I like to go to very interior corners of the world. Like sometimes I tell you about the Korea or Vietnam, or in that case Philippines also. So all these places, they just don't understand the concept of a vegetarian food. So
Right.
जब उनको बोलते हैं कि I'll tell you about Philippines experience. Like वहाँ पे मैं गई थी, and then when I first day in the breakfast, when I asked, do you have anything vegetarian, they said yeah, because it's a rice eating country, so they said the rice is a vegetarian. So I said no, not like that. Then they gave me only carrot. So but you know what, in any country, anywhere you go in the world, if you use little bit of your knowledge, you can survive anywhere. You just have to pick up something from the menu and just ask them to customize for you. I know it's a little bit struggle or tough to make them understand, but of
Right.
course they will help you. Like
Right.
मैं जहाँ जाती हूँ मैं ऐसे ही करती हूँ, and अच्छी खासी मैं सरवाइव करके आती हूँ, एंड वेट भी पुट ऑन करके आती हूँ.
Great. That's really nice. And Nikha, coming back to your YouTube channel, like people prefer going to YouTube to check out the recipes and then engaging and I have seen your YouTube channel, one or two of your recipes, and I see that people come over there and they see the recipe and then they engage. Like the amount of engagement on your YouTube channel is crazy. People are
Yeah.
asking questions, you're responding to them. It's great. Are you also thinking of now with the change of the time evolving, nowadays, are you also thinking of doing the same thing on Instagram also?
Uh, yeah, I mean, see, I'll tell you something. Whatever I am, if you think that, first of all, I don't think that I am super successful because I don't know what is success. I just try to do my bit. Whatever knowledge I have, I would like to share it with everyone, first of all. So I will not call it as a success because अभी तो बहुत दूर तक जाना है. Um,
Right,
but you know what? Whatever I am today is because of my viewers. So
right,
whatever, I mean, they love me so much, and that is what I told you in the beginning. That is what I have earned, and this is the only thing I want, nothing else. So
right.
if I will not interact with them, and first of all, मुझे बातें करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. So चाहे वो
Nice.
फेस टू फेस हो या तो फिर थ्रू मैसेजेस हो तो वो समटाइम्स व्हाट हैपेंस लाइक अभी कुछ दिन पहले ही ऐसा हुआ था कि वन very sweet father, he just messaged me and said that my daughter is I just wanted to surprise my daughter because it's and that too I'm talking about at quarter to 12, मतलब 12 बजने में सिर्फ 15 मिनट था, and he messaged me and saying that urgent help required, and I wanted to surprise my daughter by giving her something which she like, and she really like hot fudge, so if you can help me. So immediately I typed the hot fudge recipe and I sent it to him, and he made it actually. And
Wow.
12:10 को तो उसने पिक्चर भी भेज दी, and he said that thank you so much. So yeah, I love this kind of love what I get it from the people, and if you can contribute little bit to somebody's special day, and in this such kind of scenario where everybody's locked down and all day is the same, there is no special day, so if you can contribute just a little bit, it's like nice, and वो उससे दिन बन जाता है.
बन जाते हैं. And how's food doing in lockdown? अभी ये lockdown के time पे मतलब क्या recipes, कुछ नए combinations, new recipes, what are you doing about food in the lockdown situation?
In fact, you know what? Lockdown के time पे I'll tell you that everybody, see, there is nothing to, वही वाला मेरा वाला चक्कर है कि माँ बन गए, अभी घर के अंदर बंद है, जॉब कर नहीं सकते हैं, तो what do I do? So जो
Right.
एक कॉर्नर जिसको किचन कहते हैं, let's make most of it. And मुझे लगता है कि ये tough time में the only happiness you have in your hand right now is food. So
Right.
if you can make good food and simple food, I will say, without any kind of like tam jam with lot of ingredient, and if that can bring smile to your family members face, then
Yes.
usse acha kya hoga. So that's my contribution, and that's my take on this tough time,
Nice.
corporate time.
Great.
So yeah.
No, that's a good idea. And everyone is sharing pictures. Like yesterday
Yeah.
on School of Life, we were talking about Dalgona coffee, and which is Peti coffee.
I know. Oh my god, Dalgona coffee is like everywhere. Every other video you will come, I mean, whenever you will just scroll down, every other video is Dalgona coffee, and I'm like, आ गई भाई, आ गई बनाना, आ गई, अब तो बस कर दो,
बस करो अभी.
आ गई बनाना, प्लीज अभी बस कर दो.
बस करो. Okay, quick questions about now because Meghna, you're not only just a chef, you are also an internet sensation, right? मतलब you have so many followers. You are. आप मानो नहीं मानो, but आपको internet sensation. And there are a lot of viewers who admire you and want to be like you. They also want to be influencers. So आप क्या tip दोगे in terms of platform? पहला question मेरा है कि which platform do you think is better between YouTube or Instagram or TikTok? Which one, according to you, is the best platform?
See, I'll say that social media in general is a very nice way to connect with the people. That is for the sure. So, uh, generally what I feel is if you have a good content, like if you are knowledgeable and if you are talking confidently about what you are serving, and not please do not come with the like आधा अधूरा knowledge. फिर जब कोई कुछ see, audience is not fool. You cannot make them fool at all. So nowadays, because of this social media and because of गूगल महाराज, हमें सब पता होता है, बेसिक चीजें सबको पता होती है. So what I feel is whenever with any kind of knowledge, चाहे वो मेकअप का हो या चाहे आप कुकिंग दिखा रहे हो या आप सिंगिंग हो, come with the good knowledge where you can talk about it confidently and make it presentable.
Right.
Sometimes some videos when I see that आधे अधूरे नॉलेज के साथ आ जाते हैं एंड देन दे टॉक एनी रबिश. लाइक कुकिंग के वीडियो थे जो आ जाते हैं जो बोलते हैं कि अच्छा इसमें अंडा पड़ रहा है, अंडे को आप रिप्लेस कर दीजिए दही के साथ. अभी दही तो डालेंगे पर फिर मिल्क की क्वांटिटी कम कर रही है नहीं कर रही है, वो भगवान भरोसे. फिर वो जो आपने किया, डोंट कम अप लाइक दिस. So if your content is good, all the platform they will welcome you with open arms. There is no doubt
Right.
about it. So
Right.
some people good. So it is just
Right.
like that, कि प्रोडक्ट अच्छी है तो मार्केट उसको एब्जॉर्ब करने ही वाला है. सो बी अ गुड प्रोडक्ट, बी अ प्रीमियम प्रोडक्ट rather than
And I can't control my laughter because you know what you just said. उससे मुझे एक मेरा बर्थडे याद आ गया. My husband wanted to make a birthday cake for me. और हमारे का नवरात्रे भी चल रहे थे उस टाइम पे जो अप्रैल में होते हैं. And he was trying to make a cake for me. उन्होंने ये देख लिया वीडियो के दही डाल सकते हैं. And the cake turned out to be कच्चा.
that
Now
is
I
what
know what is reason.
that is what I'm saying. In fact, मैं ये बहुत I will not take the name, but मैं बहुत बड़े शेफ की वीडियो देख रही थी एंड रैंडम बोल दिया कि स्वीटनेस के लिए आप मिल्क मेड डाल दो, अगर मिल्क मेड नहीं है तो उतनी ही शुगर डाल दो और फिर अंडे को दही डाल दो और फिर अरे भाई साहब इतना लिक्विड ऑलरेडी चला गया है, दूध भी डालेंगे तो केक पकेगा कब? वो तो पानी ही पानी है ना. तो ऐसे डिजास्टर.
It was funny, but the whole cake was like so liquid that I was like, "ये क्या है?"
But
But he
I'll
did a
share something. I'll share something with
yes,
you that when husbands बेचारे कितने sometimes they're just I'll say sometimes
sometimes.
sometimes their
Right.
gestures are
Birthday
so
तो बनता है.
sweet. हाँ, their gestures are so sweet. Like when I was very new student of baking, तो वो सीख के आई और घर पे कुछ एक्सपेरिमेंट किए और वही हुआ कि जो बनना था वो तो नहीं बना, उसकी जगह पे एकदम हार्ड कुकी या तो फिर आप पत्थर ही बोल दो उसको. तो मेरा तो रोना निकल गया और मेरा हस्बैंड बोलता है अरे बाप रे तुम रो नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, हम पानी में उसको पिघाल के हम शरबत की तरह पी जाएंगे.
So that's so wonderful.
ऐसे भी होता है when you go with the आधा अधूरा knowledge. So please do
Right.
not start with आधा अधूरा knowledge. अपने आप को पहले अच्छे से आप तैयार कीजिए and then you come up with your content. And any platform, trust me, कोई भी platform आपको बहुत अच्छे से welcome करेगा.
Superb, superb. Mitha, I can talk on and on with you and I know you love talking. तो मतलब हम बहुत देर तक बात कर सकते हैं. But yes, I know there is a time constraint. So just few more questions for you. If
Yeah.
you can tell audience को कि that one, हर एक की लाइफ में of course success is something that keeps, आपके goal change होते रहते हैं. आपको
Yeah.
अभी next ये
Yeah.
करना है, ये करना है. But
Yeah.
that one aha moment, जहाँ पे you felt that, wow, like I have arrived or something nice happened and you were extremely happy with your, the YouTube channel or your blogging or you know,
See,
your
I tell you, मेरा aha moment है ना, and ये मैं कोई बुकिश ज्ञान नहीं दे रही हूँ, मतलब now
okay.
by now you will know that मेरे पास कोई बुकिश ज्ञान
Yes.
नहीं है. So my aha moment ना वो हर रोज होता है. मतलब
Right.
one moment I feel that wow, I mean this is like you know this has made my day. So वो aha
Right.
moment मेरा रोज होता है when especially I interact with my viewers and कोई बोलता है कि मेरा 6 साल का बच्चा आपकी वीडियोस देखता है और वो अप्रिशिएट करता है एंड देन दे से कि मम्मा ये बनाओ, या तो फिर कोई हस्बैंड आके बोलता है कि यू सेव्ड माय मैरिज बिकॉज स्पेशल डे पे मैंने ये बना दिया, या फिर कोई
Wow.
मदर्स डे पे कोई लड़का होगा जो बोलेगा कि मैंने आज तक किचन में पैर नहीं रखा बट सीइंग योर रेसिपी आई सरप्राइज माय मदर. So all these
Wow.
things now for me is a aha moment, and this one, this all the that viewers ka comment, they you cannot replace it with any award or any solitaire or any designer garments. ये replace हो नहीं सकता है. So मेरी aha moment रोज आती है.
बहुत आती है, क्या बात है. And that's the dream of all of us, to reach this aha moment of every day, that
Yeah.
satisfaction. That so true and so well said.
सोचो ना,
One
इतनी
last
सारी
yes,
नेगेटिविटी में अगर कोई एक आपको कुछ अच्छा बोल दे तो वो आहा मोमेंट हुई कि नहीं हुई.
absolutely. Couldn't
Yeah.
agree more on that. Absolutely. And well said, actually, Meghna, that you have truly learned from School of Life. आपकी education जो
Definitely.
हुई है और आपकी success जो हुई है वो पूरी School of Life है. There is no classroom,
Yes.
that ज्ञान और jargons जो आप
Yes.
बता रहे हो लोगों को,
Yeah.
सब आपके personal experience है. If we have to
Totally.
wind, आपकी पूरी जर्नी को एक लाइन में, कहते हैं कि सक्सेस कम्स टू दोज हु डू दिस.
Yes.
अगर
Yes.
आपको पूछा जाए कि फॉर कीपिंग योर जर्नी इन लाइफ इन
Yeah.
माइंड, हाउ वुड यू कंप्लीट द स्टेटमेंट? सक्सेस कम्स टू दोज हु
मेरे पास एक ही वर्ड है एंड दैट वर्ड इज जस्ट वन वर्ड, हार्ड वर्क. उसके अलावा कुछ नहीं है. हार्ड वर्क के बिना कुछ नहीं हो सकता है. हर चीज की अभी शॉर्टकट मिल गए हैं, हर चीज के आपको रिप्लेसमेंट मिल गए हैं. बॉडी में विटामिन कम हो गया है, विटामिन की गोली पॉप कर लो. प्रोटीन कम हो गया है, प्रोटीन पाउडर अवेलेबल है. यहाँ तक कि मोटे हो गए हो, ओवरनाइट सर्जरी करा लो, एकदम पतली सी कमर मिल जाती है. बट अभी तक कोई जीनियस पैदा नहीं हुआ है जिसने हार्डवर्क की गोली, पाउडर या सर्जरी बनाई है. तो भाई जब तक ये नहीं कोई बनाता है तब तक अच्छे से हार्डवर्क कर लो. तो हार्डवर्क इज द वर्ड, दैट्स इट.
सुपर एक्सीलेंट. एंड आई सो अग्री कि हार्डवर्क की कोई दवाई, कोई गोली नहीं है. आपको ही करना पड़ेगा और आपको लगना पड़ेगा.
एग्जैक्टली.
मेघना, एक चीज आपको बताई नहीं थी कि मुझे हमेशा जितने भी गेस्ट आते हैं उनके साथ रैपिड फायर करने का बहुत शौक है. सो आई एम गोइंग टू थ्रो रैपिड फायर एट यू.
This was the surprise.
This was a surprise. Yes, I told you I'll ask you questions, but I never told you that there will be a rapid fire. So prepare
No
yourself.
problem.
All right. Your favorite Indian food?
खिचड़ी.
Khichdi.
खिचड़ी बिल्कुल मेरे जैसी है. मतलब यू नो कि वो चटपटी सी भी होती है और इंडियन भी है और एकदम डाउन टू अर्थ है बेचारी खिचड़ी, और नेशनल फूड भी बन चुकी है. तो मतलब इतना भी अंडर एस्टिमेट नहीं कर सकते.
Great, great. Indian food या international कोई cuisine?
सॉरी.
Indian food और international cuisine?
ये तो भाई टाई रहेगा बिकॉज आई लव पेस्टो पास्ता और एट द सेम टाइम आई लव खिचड़ी ऑल्सो. सो दोनों ही मेरे कंफर्ट फूड है, तो आई गो विद बोथ.
अच्छा, फूड से हटते हैं. इंस्टाग्राम या यूट्यूब?
इंस्टाग्राम.
Instagram. All right. Your favorite destination, travel destination?
इटली. अभी तो मतलब चलो इटली का नाम नहीं ले सकते, बट इटली.
Yes.
यूरोप इज माय फेवरेट डेस्टिनेशन.
And desserts versus savory.
सॉरी, आपकी आवाज कट रही है.
Dessert, sorry. Dessert versus savory.
Dessert all time. I can live on dessert, like breakfast na do, lunch na do, dinner na do, but bas meetha de do.
Meetha de do.
Meetha
Wonderful,
de do.
wonderful. So that was rapid fire for us, Meghna. And thank you so much. Is my voice
Thank.
clear?
Yeah. Now it's clear. Yes.
Okay. So thank you so much, and especially for your important message that you gave, that success comes to those who do hard work, because
Yes.
that is something which is so true. And I think हमारे audience भी इस बात को मानेंगे आपकी story सुन के कि hard work is what at the end pays well.
Exactly. Thank you so much for having me. It was lovely
Thank you. It
talking
was
with
a
you.
pleasure. Lovely talking to you too, and it was a pleasure having you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Take care, Meghna. And please say bye to your lovely audience. They're all, sending
Yeah,
hearts and
yeah. Bye, girl. Love you all, and keep watching, keep cooking, and be safe. बस कुछ ही दिन बाकी है, and after that the things will be perfectly fine and normal. So stay safe.
thank you. Thank you so much, Meghna. Thank you for coming on School of Life, and it was wonderful having you. Stay
Thank you.
safe. Take care.
Yeah, you too. Bye.
Bye. All right. And tomorrow today we just had such a lovely person with us who shared her life experience. We are going to have more amazing speakers like this in our next and upcoming show, which is tomorrow's episode. And tomorrow we'll be joined by Ria Arora, who's a model as well as a fashion blogger. So please do tune in at 6 p.m. on Instagram Live for School of Life. See you all. Take care and stay safe, everyone.
If you enjoyed this video, do give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel Indian School of Image Management on YouTube. You can also click the bell icon and get notification for our latest videos.